Everyone, welcome back to a new post today. And finally, India is getting its regional rapid transit system, a very important development with regard to urban mobility solutions, and that also sustainable urban mobility solutions, a very important solution to connect a large conurbation like the Delhi metro region, which is surrounded by burgeoning cities which are coming up on par with the Delhi NCR region. And this regional rapid transit system is going to connect Delhi to Meerut, which is seen as the second fastest growing city after Delhi, and it is the second sports capital of India after Jalandhar. It's also the largest gold market in Asia, and a lot of industries coming up. We also recently had the Delhi Meerut Expressway because of the burgeoning economic activity, and there was needed connectivity in this region. So let's have a quick review of this India's first rapid regional transit system, which Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to launch tomorrow, that is October 20th. And once operational, you will be astonished to know that this Delhi Ghaziabad Meerut, the route on which the regional rapid transit system is going to move, this will take out almost 1 lakh private vehicles off the road and will reduce approximately 2,50,000 ton of carbon dioxide with regard to vehicular emission every year. And this is a report given by the NCR itself. Now, multimodal integration is also one of the main principles of the RRTS implementation. To encourage the use of public transport, RRTS stations are being seamlessly integrated with the existing mode of public transportation like bus stands, airports, metro stations, railway stations, etc. There are lifts, escalators, footover bridges, and even travelers are being provided to move from one mode to another. It aims to empower the citizen through improved access, addressing issues of economic and social exclusion, and promoting balanced and sustainable mobility solution, especially with regard to NCR and the surrounding conurbation area. Regional rapid transit system is a rail system. So it's a rail system that is semi-high speed, high frequency commuter transit system. That is, it's a public transportation system which is designed with a speed of 180 kilometers per hour. The RRTS is a state-of-the-art mobility solution and is comparable to the best in the world. The Delhi Ghaziabad Meerut RRTS is a rail-based high-speed, high-frequency regional commuter transit system connecting the metropolities and the surrounding big cities like Ghaziabad, Meerut, towns, urban nodes across the NCR, that is the National Capital Region of Delhi. It will provide safe, reliable, modern intercity commuting solutions that will take away a lot of private vehicles off the road, and it is a best mobility solution, especially with regard to public transportation. In line with the PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan, now the RRTS network will have an extensive multimodal integration with railway station, metro station, and bus stations. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to inaugurate on priority basis the Delhi Ghaziabad Meerut Regional Rapid Transit System corridor, called as the RRTS, at the Sahibabad station in Uttar Pradesh tomorrow. And also he will flag off the RRTS train, which is called, it is also going to be called as Namo Bharat. This is what the news says from the Prime Minister's office. It will connect Sahibabad and Duhai depot, marking the launch of the regional rapid transit system in India. It is a transformational regional development system designed to provide high-speed connectivity every 15 minutes for the commuters and can go up to a frequency of 5 minutes according to the requirement. A total of 8 RRTS are now going to be planned and identified for development in the National Capital Region, and out of these, 3 corridors have been given priority. That is in phase 1, Delhi Ghaziabad Meerut, that is going to be launched tomorrow, Delhi Gurugram SMB Alwar, and Delhi Panipat. The Delhi Ghaziabad Meerut is going to be developed at a cost of 30,000 crore, and it will connect Delhi to Meerut in a travel time of less than 1 hour through the urban centers of Ghaziabad, Muradnagar, and Modi Nagar. The Delhi Meerut Expressway is already developed, and it's important for you to know that the National Highway Authority of India has used the solid waste from Ghazipur landfill to actually construct the Delhi Meerut Expressway to curb pollution. Let us look at some of the important features of the regional rapid transit system, which is the first of its kind in India and an important urban mobility transit system, especially designed to connect a conurbation like the NCR region. So it is developed by the National Capital Regional Transport Corporation, which is a joint venture between the Government of India and the governments of Delhi, Haryana, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh. It is established as a result of MOU between the centre and the four states in 2011, and NCRTC is formally incorporated in 2013. The RRTS is very different from a metro rail. Now it will be operational at a speed of 160 kilometers per hour, while a metro rail speed is just 80 kilometers per hour. While the metro rail will take 3 hours to cover a distance of 100 kilometers, the RRTS will traverse the distance in less than 1 hour. The Delhi-Ghaziabad Meerut corridor, which is the first RRTS implemented in India, is going to be closely followed by the Delhi-Gurugram SNB Alwar section and the Delhi-Panipat corridors. The total length of the Delhi-Meerut corridor is 82 kilometers, which will be covered in just an hour, comprising 24 stations. The first phase covers 17 kilometers with 5 stations of Sahibabad, Ghaziabad, Guldar, Duhai and the Duhai depot. The RRTS stations will be integrated via various metro lines, airports, bus stands wherever possible, and the project I told you is going to cost 30,000 crore rupees, and it is being funded not only by the Government of India but also the Asian Development Bank, the Asian Infrastructure Development Bank. The RRTS trains has many features like computers, which are commuter-centric facilities like overhead luggage racks, a Wi-Fi, mobile and laptop charging facility. Each train will have a premium class car with wider seats, more legroom and also coat hangers. The trains will be equipped with vending machine facility. The Delhi-Ghaziabad Meerut RRTS corridor will involve more women employees than the men, and so there is a social component to this as well. And the NCRTC has said that it has taken the step especially to remove the stereotypes the transportation sector is only for the men and not for women. A dedicated lost and found center will be established at the Delhi-Ghaziabad Regional Rapid Transit System station to expedite the retrieval of misplaced belongings, a statement by the National Capital Region Transport Corporation, which is implementing the project. And this is all about the very first regional rapid transit system in India, which is going to connect the next big city coming up in the NCR region after Delhi, and a lot of economic development, employment especially, and a speed transport and connectivity, which will also improve the logistics index for India. And this is about this the very fundamentals of this information. I hope this was helpful for you all, and if you did, please do like, share, subscribe, and I shall see you in my next post. Until then, very happy learning.